I need to weld some 3-inch aluminum pipe, and I thought it'd be nice to have one of these welding positioners, and I cannot believe how much they cost, so made my own. What this is a worm drive from a very old Rototiller. It's got a drill on there, and I made a little aluminum thing with an adjustment bolt here, which is how you change the speed. The Rototiller worm drive is about 21:1, and this takes that to another 8:1, so I have about, it comes out to like 80:1 is my gear reduction, not including the drill. The drill takes us up to, I think, like 100. So it's got a lot of gear reduction at. Here, I'll show you how it works. And of course, I didn't have a lathe chuck or anything, you know, so I just kind of put this together. But it worked really well. It doesn't have to turn perfectly straight to do it. And yeah, luckily there's a shaft on the other side that I can put my ground on. And this actually works really good. I'm pretty surprised, and I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty good. I mean, I can live with that. Not too bad for something that was a hop, skip, and a jump from going in the scrap bin.